Hi guys, today I head to the farm, and farm life isn't very easy, isn't that easy. You have to feed your animals, take care of them until they get that satisfaction, so that you know they are fulfilled and they are happy. Make sure they are clean. So this is where I head. I feed them. I make sure they are fed until they are okay. Give them water and make sure the house is clean. Look at that. Very nice. To watch these videos, subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much for watching this video. GEN Kipanga 01